Need to secure your Thread account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily secure it. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Thread. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on this tool line at the top right. Head over to Account Center at the very top of the screen. Once you're inside the Account Center, you need to head over to Password and Security. Choose Two-Factor Authentication. Choose a specific account Thread. Once you have selected, you will have two different options to secure your account. One is Authentication app and the other one is SMS. You can choose whichever you want. If you choose SMS, you will be receiving the code on your WhatsApp or your number whenever you log in into your account. And if you download the Authentication app, you will always get one-time codes from the app, such as Duo Mobile or Google Authenticator. Let me choose the second one for now, SMS. Click on it. Now you will receive one confirmation code and a number. Copy that code and enter it in this section. After that, your two-factor authentication will be enabled and then you'll be good to go. So this is how you can secure your Thread account. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.